In a world that's rapidly shifting towards sustainable living and minimalist lifestyles, the tiny home movement has grown into a serious alternative to traditional housing. And one standout in this category is the Sonoma, a stunning eco-luxury tiny house crafted by Spindrift Homes, a family-run business from Bend, Oregon. More than just a place to live, the Sonoma represents a philosophy, one built on simplicity, functionality, and respect for nature. At first glance, the Sonoma captivates with its modern rustic exterior, clad in stained timber planks that blend beautifully into natural surroundings. Riding on a double-axle trailer, the home is 26 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and 13.5 feet tall, making it legal to tow across the United States. Built to NOAA standards, it not only meets quality benchmarks, but also offers peace of mind to its environmentally conscious owners. Step inside, and the interior design mirrors the warmth of a craftsman cabin, with white shiplap walls, rich wooden finishes, and an open-plan layout that emphasizes airiness and natural light. Vaulted ceilings and tall windows give the home a surprisingly spacious feel, completely defying its tiny footprint. But this isn't just about aesthetics. The Sonoma is packed with features that turn it into a fully functional, year-round living solution. At its heart lies a thoughtfully designed layout. The main floor features a central kitchen, flanked by a cozy lounge and a stylish bathroom, while a sleek storage-integrated staircase leads to a lofted queen-size bedroom bathed in natural light from multiple windows and a skylight. The kitchen is a chef's dream in a compact space, equipped with butcher block countertops, a 3-burner gas stove, an oven, a deep metal sink, and a full-size refrigerator with bottom freezer. There's even a pantry and loads of cabinetry for storage. Next to the kitchen is a breakfast nook, complete with a collapsible leaf table and 2 stools, ideal for intimate meals or a cup of coffee while enjoying panoramic views through surrounding windows. The living room, fitted with an L-shaped sofa and rustic shelves, instantly creates a sense of homey comfort. One of the most impressive areas is the bathroom, which features a compost toilet, tiled shower, and a vanity with extensive storage. Open shelving and a slim unit for toiletries make this space feel more luxurious than what you would expect in a mobile dwelling. Technology and comfort haven't been forgotten either. The Sonoma comes standard with a heater AC combo, on-demand hot water, a washer-dryer unit, Bluetooth surround sound, and non-toxic, energy-efficient appliances and materials. Every element reflects Spindrift Homes' commitment to sustainability and wellness. And for those who crave a personal touch, Spindrift offers semi-custom designs. The Sonoma's base price starts at $110,000, but buyers can personalize everything from paint colors to floor plans. For example, one custom version showcased a U-shaped dinette, a wood-burning stove, and even an upgraded staircase with railing, each detail crafted to enhance both function and personality. Ultimately, the Sonoma isn't just a tiny house, it's a lifestyle choice. It encourages a simpler, more intentional way of living that reduces environmental impact without sacrificing comfort or style. So, if you're seeking freedom, flexibility, and elegance in a compact footprint, the Sonoma by Spindrift Homes might just be your next dream home, proving that living small can still mean living large.